Hey, Sugar Pie, how you doing? Are you feeling okay? It's your baby girl, Mamando of Africa. You know, I got you like all the time, like all the time, like all the damn time. I got you covered. So today I've come to continue the conversation that I started the other time about Donald Trump and all that. I see you guys been showing a lot of interest. Some of my peeps talk to me like, damn, are you still in this country? Which country do you want me to be? Yeah. So I saw some posts after that time, and I really want to talk about it. I saw people pics mixing Donald Trump with Nigerian and flag and the map rather. So I saw a AI picture of Donald Trump standing by a soldier, and he is projecting the map of Nigeria and kind of making conversation, discussing and all that. You guys should just calm down. It's just a pixmies and AI. You guys should just calm down. We're here in war, in the war. What, we are not going to war. You guys should just go calm down. Don't know how to people's problem. A lot of people have health issues when they see all these pictures and videos, AI and all that. They'll be like, Ogmo Vesele is about to go to war. Hey, no. It's not going to happen. We ain't going for war. Yeah, you guys should chill. If you can solve people's problem, they're not hard to hate. And I saw some Nigerians that in the U.S. Army, you guys been cruising with us. I saw some people saying they're coming to Nigeria. They are starting from Ikorodu and Ibadan people. You guys are scaring us.